In this video, I'll show you how you can edit your job alerts on LinkedIn. So firstly, click on Jobs. Then from here, choose Preferences. And from here, you can see these job alerts. So click on it. And from here, you can manage your job alerts. So I have already one. So this is my job alert, content creator. So you can manage it by clicking on this pencil. From here, you can choose alert frequency, so you can choose daily or weekly. Then you can choose notification type, so email and notification, or you can just select only email or only notification. You can also enable this get notified of similar jobs, so you can turn this on. You can also delete your job alert from here and then click save, and this is how you can edit your job alerts. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.